In the silent theater of existence, where stars are born and galaxies dance, a final question lingers. How will it all end? Our cosmic observer, a silent witness to the grand universal ballet, turns its gaze to the ultimate future, contemplating the three most likely fates for everything that is, was, and ever will be. First, it envisions the Big Freeze, a slow, creeping death for the cosmos. The observer watches as the relentless expansion of space continues unabated, pulling galaxies further and further apart. The vibrant cosmic web stretches thin, its luminous threads dimming. One by one, the last stars exhaust their fuel, sputtering out into cold, dead remnants. The universe cools, its temperature approaching absolute zero. All light is extinguished, all heat vanishes, leaving nothing but an endless, frigid darkness. A graveyard of black holes and frozen particles is all that remains. A silent, eternal void where time itself loses meaning. Then, a different vision takes hold. The Big Crunch. The observer sees the universe's expansion slow to a halt, as if drawing a final deep breath. Gravity, the patient architect of structures, reasserts its dominance. The cosmic tide turns, and the expansion reverses into a great contraction. Galaxies, once fleeing from each other, now rush back together in a cosmic stampede. The universe heats up, its density soaring as space itself collapses. Everything converges back toward the single, infinitesimally small and hot point from which it all began. A fiery Götterdämmerung that could perhaps ignite a new Big Bang. A cosmic phoenix rising from its own ashes. A third, more violent destiny flashes before the observer. The Big Rip. In this scenario, the mysterious force known as dark energy grows ever stronger, becoming a repulsive force that overwhelms all others. Its power escalates, first pushing galaxies apart at speeds faster than light. Then, it begins to tear the galaxies themselves asunder, ripping star systems from their gravitational anchors. The carnage intensifies, shredding stars and planets. Finally, in the last fleeting moments, the fabric of reality itself is torn. The very atoms that make up matter are violently ripped apart, reducing the entire universe to a shower of fundamental particles, adrift in an infinite, empty expanse. But what if our universe isn't the only one? The observer's perspective shifts, pulling back to reveal an astonishing sight. A boundless cosmic ocean filled with floating, shimmering bubbles. This is the multiverse. Each bubble is a unique universe, with its own physical laws, its own timeline, its own destiny. They are born, they evolve, and perhaps they too face their own end, separate from our own. Our silent traveler drifts through this cosmic foam, a voyager between realities. It peers into these bubble universes, catching glimpses of wonders beyond imagination. In one, gravity is 1,000 times stronger, creating bizarre compressed structures. In another, light travels at a different speed, painting the cosmos in colors we could never perceive. The possibilities are infinite, a breathtaking tapestry of creation that suggests our own universe is but a single note in a much grander symphony. Returning to its own reality, the cosmic observer floats once more in the vast, quiet emptiness. Around it, images of the freeze, the crunch, and the rip swirl like ghosts of futures yet to come. The grand pageant of cosmic history, from the first spark of creation to the final, inevitable end, plays out in its silent mind. The ultimate fate remains shrouded in mystery, a puzzle written in the language of starlight and shadow. But as the visions fade, a new sight appears in the profound darkness. A single brilliant point of light ignites, a nascent star burning with fierce intensity. It is a symbol not of an end, but of a beginning. It represents the unquenchable human spirit, our relentless drive to explore, to question, and to understand. For in the face of cosmic oblivion, our quest for knowledge shines on, a beacon of hope in the vast unknown expanse.